It's basically like a concierge service.
Hmm.
So literally on one of the icons they can click in their Odessa is they literally can just ring the bell. And it's like a little picture of a
Wow.
bell, and they can say that they want something or they need something. And one of our people that is in the USA, not AI, a real person, will actually call them through
I
the
love
TV and
that.
say, what would you need? And we can do anything for them, whether it's go
Hmm.
pick up medication, get their grass cut, if they need medication reminders,
Hmm.
if they're stressed and they think they might need to go to the ER. I mean, we can literally do
I
anything.
love.
Welcome to the Answers for Elders radio show.
And welcome everyone to Answers for Elders Radio Network, heard across the USA on your favorite podcast platform. And if you're watching us today on YouTube, you're going to see two more smiling faces next to me. One, Miss Lindsay Friedman. And Lindsay, she is the CEO of LT CareNav. And we are partners with Lindsay and her platform. And we certainly love when she brings on guests to introduce all of our listener base, all of you that are navigating senior care. And man, oh man, every once in a while, this world is so small. It's such a small world because a long time ago, I had a conversation with a woman by the name of Traci Lamb, and she had at one time a TV network. But guess what? She is in TV in a very, very different way. And I want to introduce to everyone as part of Lindsay's network, Traci Lamb. You are now the Director of Sales and Business Development for OdessaConnect. And welcome to the show.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me. It's great to be here and great to see you, Lindsay. Lindsay and I have known each other for quite some time, and great to see you again, Suzanne.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So, obviously, before we start talking to you, Traci, I want to circle back to Lindsay because this is amazing. You know, we have had a bunch of conversations with Lindsay and her network, and the different types of individuals that are top notch on her platform has been just remarkable. And I really want to give Lindsay you major kudos because the person that you are in our ecosystem is pretty incredible. And bringing Traci in, absolutely. So Traci, um, OdessaConnect, you went through a TV and media journey yourself, and now here you are. Tell us a little bit about OdessaConnect and what you do.
Sure, sure. I would love to. And again, thank you for letting me be here. So Odessa Connect is a HIPAA compliant, SOC 2 certified kit. So it's like a small, thin black box and
Hmm.
a patented remote. And it works with any TV, and it basically turns any TV into a two-way communication portal. And what that means is that so most seniors struggle with tech. So they
Hmm.
struggle with phones, they struggle with
They
iPads,
do.
passwords, all those kinds of things. Well, we decided to make it simple and use the one device they all know how to use, which is the TV. It's bigger, it's louder, they can see it better, they can turn it up, and it makes
And they
it
know
where
how to turn on the TV and they know how to
yes,
change
they
the channel.
do. Yes, they do. Yes, they do. My parents certainly did for sure. And
Yes.
so we made it to where now they can do video calls with family and friends. They can
Lovely.
receive
Yeah.
videos through the TV. They can receive photos through the TV. Let's say you have a senior that wants to go to a wedding for their grandson, but they can't go, then a family member can actually tape the video real time, and it will the senior will see it on their TV.
Oh,
So it's
I love
literally like
this.
they'll actually be able to see the wedding, even though they can't be there in person, they'll actually get to see it in real time.
Yeah.
So it's a wonderful tool. We also have an entire healthcare dashboard on the back end. So we actually, like I said, we are HIPAA compliant, so we can do televisits. So if the patient either doesn't want to go to a PACE center that day, or they
Mm-hmm.
don't want to go see their provider, or they've gotten too sick to go see their provider, or whatever it may be, then they can actually do telehealth visits on the TV.
Mm-hmm. That's
It,
amazing.
and it's one click. It's literally
Mm-hmm.
our microphone and camera are built into our box. They
Mm-hmm.
cannot be seen. They stay off unless a video call comes in through the TV, and the senior is actually just sitting in their
Mm-hmm.
recliner. They can see the picture of the person that's calling. So whether
Right.
it's a healthcare provider, family member, or friend, then they can say, "Oh, Dr. Jones is calling me." All they have to say is, "Okay, I want to accept," on their remote with us. And that immediately connects them by audio and video.
Uh-huh.
And they can still be just sitting in their recliner and talk to Dr. Jones. They don't have to get up, move around, do anything. And then as soon as the call is over, they just hit their TV button on their remote and they go right back to watching TV. So it's
Amazing.
literally one click and it's all done.
I can see this. So, one of the things that we know about the boomer population is that 95% of baby boomers want to age in place. We have
Absolutely.
to find ways in which they can connect because the socialization piece is going to be the big piece. And I could totally see this kind of a device being so dramatically important for seniors that aren't tech savvy because there's a lot of baby boomers out there that are not.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And we've even now just partnered with another company that we're launching something called Odessa Live, where we're actually going to be able to offer to them. It's basically like a concierge service. So
Hmm.
literally on one of the icons they can click in their Odessa is they literally can just ring the bell. And it's like a little picture of a
Wow.
bell. And so they can ring the bell and they can say that they want something or they need something. And one of our people that is in the USA, not AI, a real person, will actually call them through
I
the
love
TV and
that.
say, "What would you need?" And we can do anything for them, whether it's go
Hmm.
pick up medication, get their grass cut, if they need medication reminders,
Hmm.
if they're stressed and they think they might need to go to the ER. I mean, we can literally do
I
anything
love that.
and triage any of those kinds of calls for
Hmm.
them.
Hmm. And to think about it too is the fact that, oftentimes just to have that connection, so many
Yes.
adult children are spread out throughout
Oh,
the
yeah.
USA. And
Yep.
being able to say, how often did my mother, she just would think of something and call
Yep.
me and having something that she could see me that wouldn't be so difficult.
Yes.
Even if I'm driving in the car, that's something that I can do through my phone, right? I'm
Yes.
assuming.
Yes. Yes.
So that's the beauty of something like this. This is incredible. So, and obviously when somebody goes on to LT Care now, Lindsay,
Yes.
what
Yes.
are the kinds of families that would be when you work with families? How does Odessa Connect fit into your network?
So, just like we match with actual providers, home care, we do the same thing for products because we
Hmm.
really can identify what a family needs.
Hmm.
And in a lot of cases, when people are mentioning, I want to stay home, I'm not there, what does that look like? Odessa Connect is a perfect option for them. So,
Hmm.
we allow them to have that piece of understanding, like, here's a great product, and this is why.
Hmm.
And the best thing is we provide discounts on our products to families.
That's
So if you
amazing.
come through LT Care Nav, we do have a discount code once you've created your account to
Hmm.
get an Odessa. And it's a great product. I've talked to a lot of people who are trying to get in this TV space, and it's not, the product is so much better, but so are the people behind it. And,
Yeah.
Suzanne, for me, that is so important to understand who's building and the motivation. And
Beyond important.
so
Beyond
important,
important.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. And honestly, anybody who's been a caregiver, it's all about peace of mind. It is all about peace of mind. I was the caregiver for both of my parents until both of them passed, and I was the sole caregiver. And it was a tough journey. And the reality is that I got to use Odessa with my mom for maybe the last 2 months that she was alive. I had just been contacted by Odessa right before she passed. I started working with Odessa in August, and she passed in January of last year. And so the reality was, though, it gave me peace of mind. There were several times I was traveling with Odessa and everything, and to be able to see her sitting in her recliner, and I could actually see she was doing okay, not just have her tell me she was doing okay, but see her as a whole person, and I did I would do medication reminders too. I would be like, okay, Mom, go get your meds. I want to see you take them, because a lot of times she would forget. And so I would say, okay, you go get them and I'll wait here, and then bring them back. And okay, I want to see you actually visually take them. And see, she could do all that while she was just doing her thing, and come back and just do it in front of the TV screen. And I could see all of that. And it's not like you're having to carry a phone, carry a pad, and all of that. So, I mean, it really does, for the caregiver themselves, it gives a huge peace of mind. And I mean, I can testify to that, because it did for me, for sure.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Well, I am so interested in what you do. And I know for our listeners, we'll definitely put information on OdessaConnect and Traci on Lindsay's platform, on Lindsay's page. And
Absolutely.
We're very excited that you came on the show. Thank you, Traci.
Thank you so much for having me again. I really greatly appreciate it.
Did you know that you can discover hundreds of podcasts in our library on senior care? So visit our website and discover our decision guides that will help you also navigate decision making. Find us at answersforelders.com.